Hi, my name is Eden, and welcome to the Guesty Edge. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most underrated features in Guesty, our notifications system. So, you might already know that Guesty sends many notifications on all of the leading alerts and updates that you need to be aware of in your Guesty account. Things like changes in reservations, reservation confirmations, comments added to tasks, payments received and failed, and a lot more. But did you know that by clicking on these three dots and going to preferences, you can actually customize not only which notifications you receive, but also the channels over which you will receive them? If we take payments as an example, and the payment failed notification, which is one of the most important notifications because it requires you to follow up with the guest, get a new payment method, and attempt to recharge it, you can turn these notifications off from showing up here in Guesty, or turn them off from getting sent as a push notification to your mobile phone when you have the Guesty app installed. But you can also change the default and have these notifications sent to you over email. So when I turn this on and click on Save Changes, the payment failed notification will now also get sent via email. Now, not all notifications support all channels, as you can see from the available checkboxes, but many of them, especially the important ones, do. This is a fantastic way to do two things. One, to make sure that the most important notifications are getting sent on the channels that you check the most. Maybe you're someone who's on the go, so push notifications are very important for you. Or maybe you're someone who is at home using their email to service guests, so you need these notifications to come to your email. Which leads me to my second point. Depending on what you do and how you work with Guesty, some of these notifications might not be that important for you, and therefore you would like to cut through the noise. Maybe you don't want to turn them off entirely. You want them in the Guesty dashboard, but they shouldn't email you because, as I said, you use that to service guests and you want to make sure that their messages are always on the top. You can configure and customize this on the user level, allowing you to tailor it to how you work best with Guesty. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.